Hello everyone, welcome back to my videos. I hope you all are doing well. Like every day, I am come back uh, again with bringing new content, not new content like older version, but new chapter of JavaScript, which is chapter 8. I hope you already watched my other video, which is part 1 to part 7 of JavaScript, and you come here to see the part 8 of my videos. So I want to go direct on content without delay. Let's go. But wait, I want to make it small, which helps you see proper. Wait. I want to make it big, which is, I think it is better. Okay, let's go direct content. Uh, Today's chapter is control flow statement. Uh, on previous video, we already discussed about this chapter. Let's see. JavaScript. We already discussed about the JavaScript introduction, old views, variable like that, blah blah blah. We discussed chapter 1 to chapter 7, and today I am going to discuss about chapter 8, which is control flow. Control flow means some condition. We can uh, third, we can assume this is the condition. There can be multiple or one or two or multiple. This means condition, and there are uh, many types of control flow like if statement, if else statement, if else, if else statement, if else, if means separate here, if else means else if means separate, and else means separate here. Okay, so and another one is switch statement, and another one is ternary operator. That is the content of our videos. So let's see what is if statement. Uh, Basically, if statement means execute a block only the condition is true. If the condition is true, then only it execute. If the condition is false, this is never execute. Okay. So that is if statement, and this have only one condition. Here we can see the coding example of if statement. So let's see what is the example of this if statement. Here is the one variable which is age. Age is equal to 20, and if age is greater than 18, means age is if greater than 18, then console.log you can vote. If only if age is greater than 18, not less than here. Here also have equal to. Okay, if greater than, if age is greater than and equal to 20, if here is 18, then it only says age is greater than 18, and then if here 18, then this is not execute. For now condition, there is 20, and this will execute because the age is 20. Here it is saying age is greater than 18. If here age is 10, this never execute. Okay, so uh, if statement means this is the it if statement, uh, it gives the condition. it only execute if the statement is true. Either it never execute. Okay, that is the if statement. So let's see real analogy. If it rains, take an umbrella. If there is rain, only take an umbrella. Otherwise, no. Why should we need umbrella? We need to umbrella to protect from water. If there is no rain, no water comes from sky, then no need any umbrella. Okay, so that's the real analogy of if statements. Let's see another if else statements. Uh, don't be confused. Okay, there is only if statement and there is if else statement. In if else statement, there is two condition. There will be two condition. Uh, in if statement, if condition, there execute true condition, and another one is in the side of else condition. In the part of else condition, there execute false condition. When there is of condition false, then execute part, then else part will execute. Okay, so let's see coding example. uh, let temperature is equal to 30. Here temperature is 30. 30. Okay, remember temperature it is 30. If temperature is greater than 35, if temperature is greater than 35, then this part will execute. Okay, this part of our code console.log, it's hot outside. It is saying if temperature is greater than 35, then it will say it's hot outside. Else, if this is temperature is not greater than 35, it will execute this part of our code which says temperature is normal. Let's then say what will be on this code. Here temperature is 30 and it is saying if temperature is greater than 35, then uh, go inside this block. Okay, go inside if block. But here is the value of temperature is only 30, so it cannot go if if part inside the if part, so it goes into else part. So the output comes of this code is temperature is normal. Okay, that is how if else statement works. Here I will tell you in summary. Here is two condition, two parts. One is if parts and another one is else part. If condition is true, then it goes inside the if part, this part, if block we can say. This block is if block. If the condition is false, then it goes inside this block. So that is the rule of if else statement. And uh, if we want to see real life analogy, if homework done, play, else finish or not. Uh, our mom says, if homework done, homework is complete, then go to play. Otherwise, else not complete. It is not complete. Please finish first homework, okay? Then after go play. Here, uh, if done goes into the if part, if done true part, if says true part and else says false part. If homework done, it goes into true part. If homework done, it execute play, else it execute finish homework. Okay, that is how if else statement works. And Let's see another one example, which is if, else, if, else, if, and else. Okay, there is a three condition. Don't be confused. If is a one condition, else if one is a one condition, and else is a one condition. And there has multiple condition. There can be it can handle multiple condition. If there is many condition, it can handle. Okay, because with the help of else if and if else. Okay, so let's see coding example. If here let mark is equal to 78, then if part will uh, start. This is the block of if part. Uh, if mark is greater or equal to 90. If mark is greater or equal to 90, then console.log grade A. It will execute grade A. Okay. Then let's see another one is else part. There is uh, two parts of else if this is the two part of else if uh, and there is saying else if mark is greater and equal to 75, then it will execute grade B. And another condition is if else if mark is greater and equal to 50, it will execute grade C. And last one is else console.log fail. If if no one condition match, then it will console this part of our code. Okay. Above if above all condition don't match, it will execute last part. Uh, if uh, the mark is above greater than and equal to 90, this part will execute. Grade A will be our output. And if if mark is greater equal to 75, console.log it will execute grade B and the blah blah. This will works. In this condition, it prints grade B. Okay, because here our mark is initial mark is 78, and it is saying this is greater than 90. uh, it doesn't go inside if part, it will go inside if else if part, because here mark is greater than 75. Let's see what happens in uh, 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 compiler. Mm, compiler. Let's see the output of this code. Mm, mm, mm. We run this code. Uh, let's see. Here, grade B is execute. Okay, because here 78 is greater than 75, so that's why else part first else if part is execute. So that is the process of if else if and else statement uh, condition. So okay, let's see a real life analogy. If sunny, then go park. Else if rainy, stay home. Else check weather up again. If if sunny, go park. If sunny, you can go park and play. Okay. And else if rainy, else if there is rainy today, then stay home. no need to go outside of home, okay? Because there is rainy. And else, else both do both two condition becomes false, then this will execute. Check whether again. And then check whether again, if there is sunny, then go par. If there is rainy, then stay off. Okay, that is the process of if and else statement condition. Let's see another one is switch statement. Uh, it is also it has also multiple case, cases. So when switch use, you compare one value against fixed option. Okay. So let's see coding example. Uh, Here let day is equal to 3 and switch day inside there are multiple condition cases, you can say. And uh, there is we also using break. Why we use break, you can see here. Without break, just continues execute the next classes. If there is no break after one after one, then it will continue to execute all cases. Okay, so that's why we should add break at the last of condition. It will don't forget it. Always remember, this is the important and the common mistake of all student. And this how this work. We should add default at the last of code. Okay, because all if all condition do not match, then then code execute last cases, default cases. So here day theory is Wednesday, so that's why it gives the output of Wednesday. So this is how switch statement works. Let's see another one. Uh, Ternary operators. Uh, Ternary operators, which case I already discussed this part. If you are confused, you can go and watch video. Uh, I discussed briefly and detail about on this topic. So uh, if you don't see it, don't be afraid. I am going to explain again. So let's see. Ternary operators means shorthand of if else. Okay, it is the shortest part to write if else condition, and this has three parts, which is condition, value if true, value if false. And let's see how it works. If is co- if age is equal to 17, there is the value of age is 17. Then let can vote is equal to age is greater than equal to, this is the condition. It decides either it gonna be true value or it gonna be false value. So this is the condition. It decides. And here age is greater or equal to, uh, if age is greater and equal to 18, then it will print yes, otherwise it print no. Here uh, the output of this value is comes no, because this is less than 18. This value is less than 18, so it will give us output no. So that's how ternary operators works. Let's summarize quickly. Uh, the ternary operators have three conditions. There three parts, not condition. There is three parts. One is condition, one is true value, and one is false value. So if condition match, this this prints the true value, and if condition doesn't match, it prints the another false value. And we can say this is the shortest path to write if else condition. So that's all of ternary operators. You can see here are many practice question. If you did this, you understand all, and you can do anything on this of this topic or of this chapter. So you should practice on this question, like if statement. In if statement there is variable is equal to 21, print adult if age is greater and age is greater equal to 18. You should use this condition and print what out it gives output. So practice all question, and let's see summary of chapter 8. If run if true, if means run if true, and it has only one condition. If else there is two condition, and if means true condition, else means false condition. If condition true, it goes to if uh, condition is false, it goes to else part. So and another one is if else, sorry, sorry, this is it should be like that. And this is if and else condition. This is multiple condition. This has multiple condition. One is if and else. And if condition true goes into else. If condition false, it goes to here. And both if doesn't match to both condition, it goes to this condition. Okay, else part. So switch case, this also have multiple cases. And ternary, ternary means quick if else. It is the shortest part of if else. And another one is what's false values assignment versus comparison switch break. So that's all about chapter 8. I hope you all understand and catch what I what we learned today. So that's is the chapter 8 video. We I will come after bringing chapter 9 videos. So practice it and wait for chapter 9 video. Bye bye.